Should I just put my arm out when it comes, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know that it was made in that really sketchy setup up there.
How's the luck?
It's definitely frightening.
We made it. Good enough. I'm gonna give it some downward thrust too. This is so pointless. I think we're ready.
Oh God. Why is this so difficult?
It's like 20C it says. Oh no! I'm completely reading it wrong. It's 50C.
Yeah.
Oh, that's way too hot. Oh, never mind. Okay. That's embarrassing. Okay, first of all, this new lab coat just sucks in general. But I specifically hate this. This is so bad. I'm free.